So hello everyone, myself Priyabrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, I'm again back with a new Infosys preparation video. So recently we uploaded 3 different videos regarding Infosys preparation about the aptitude, pseudocode and the reasoning MCQ questions. But we have seen that most of our viewers were commenting what is the test pattern or what are the different sections will be there in this written test. So first of all, we wanted to discuss about the this written test pattern about the syllabus in this video, in this fourth video. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you will be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus and the interview preparation videos like this. And also you can join our official Telegram channel latest off campus so that you will be able to get the timely updates regarding latest off campus and the referral links as well. So now, one more thing, we have made a playlist here in the YouTube regarding this Infosys written test technical and the HR interview questions. We have already uploaded 3 videos and this is the 4th video, and 5th video will be regarding the puzzle questions. So don't forget to check this playlist. So I'll be putting this playlist in the description of this video so that at a time you will be able to watch the 3 different videos regarding on 3 different sections. So now let's discuss about the what is the pattern in this written test. So in this video we'll be discussing the Infosys new syllabus and the new test pattern 2021. So there are totally 5 sections are there in this written test. So the first section will be the verbal ability. Total there will be 20 questions and the time allocated will be 20 minutes only, and the difficulty level will be medium for this section. Then the second round, or you can say second section, is the numerical ability or the aptitude questions. So there will be 10 to 15 questions and the time will be getting 35 minutes. They have given enough time because the difficulty level is hard here. So that's why I am you can say telling you at the very beginning the numerical ability will be the questions will be little bit tough, but we have already discussed about the numerical ability questions. You can go through the video. We have discussed 20 questions regarding this numerical ability. You can practice those. Then the third one is the logical ability or the logical reasoning. So the questions will be getting 15 questions and the time will be getting 25 minutes only, and the difficulty level is medium. Then fourth round or the fourth section is the pseudocode MCQ questions, and the total questions will be only 5 and time will be getting 10 minutes, and the difficulty level is medium. Means we have already discussed about the pseudocode questions. So sometimes out of we have discussed 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, the 5 questions were a little bit tough or tricky. But trust me, in this Infosys off campus, if you are watching our videos, definitely you will be able to correct the 5 questions out of these 5 questions. Definitely, 100% I am sure. Then puzzle solving, 4 questions will be there and time will be getting 10 minutes. So in our upcoming videos, we will be discussing about the puzzle round or the 4 questions we will be discussing. So now let's move to the syllabus here. So here for this numerical ability, these are the syllabus you need to prepare for this written test. So this will be the percentage questions will be there. 0 to 1 questions will be there. For probability, definitely 1 question will be there, and for data interpretation there will be 0 to 1 questions, and for permutation combination there will be 1 to 2 questions definitely. Then speed and time distance or the boat and the stream problem, 1 to 2 questions will be there. Mostly you will be getting 2 questions for this speed and time distance. Then problem or age, there will be 0 to 1 questions. Then time and work, there will be 0 to 1 question or 1 question you can say, but definitely you will be getting 1 question here. Then profit and loss, 1 question will be there. Mixture and allegation, there will be 0 to 1 question, but for profit and loss there will be 1 to 2 questions. Then divisibility, there will be 0 to 1 question. Then the number, decimal fraction and the logarithm, there will be 0 to 2 questions. For number decimals or the fractions there will be one question, and for the logarithms there will be one question. Totally there will be two questions. This is all about this numerical ability or the aptitude section. So we have already discussed about these things or the questions. You can go through our video or the previous video. So now let's move to the next round, or you can say section here, logical ability. And one more thing, there is no sectional cutoff here and no negative marking here. If you are stuck at a certain point, suppose you are stuck at this question number 1, then don't waste your time more much, because if you are wasting more time in the one question, then you will not be able to solve the other questions. Time will be wasted. Don't waste your time. If you are not getting the solution, or if you are not able to understand the question, then choose any of the options and move to the next question. Don't waste your time, because there is no negative marking here. There will be overall percentage, and the overall cutoff will be 70 to 80%. It totally based upon that how many people have applied for this off campus or attending this off campus. But most of the time the cutoff will be 70 to 80, between 70 to 80, somewhere between. And yeah, there is the sectional cutoff. So suppose one candidate is scoring only 10% mark out of for this, suppose this logical reasoning I am securing only 5 to 10%, then definitely you will not be able to score more, or you will not be able to they will not hire you, or you can say they will not shortlist you. So I would suggest all of you to please keep the secure the average marks in each of the sections, and if you are doing very well in specific one section, keep it try to keep it 100%. So now let's discuss about this syllabus. So for this logical ability, there will be number arrangement or the seating arrangement, 1 to 2 questions. For this one, and for seating arrangement 1. Then coding decoding, 1 to 2 questions. Number series, there will be 1 question, and the crypto arithmetic 1 question, and the data sufficiency there will be 2 questions based on the blood relationship they will be asking you, and for the normal data sufficiency, so there will be 2 questions. For the blood relation, definitely 1, and another for the direction problem, etc. Then logical deduction, 0 to 2 questions. So this is all about the logical reasoning syllabus. So now let's move to the next section. This is the pseudocode. So there will be 5 questions, and we have already discussed 10 questions in our previous videos. So definitely you will be able to solve all of these 5 questions. So there will be basically, you need to go through the basic operators like post increment, pre-increment, decrement operators, modular division, simple division, etc. Then data types, like what are the different data types available, like string, how it works, etc. Then array and string operations, there will be 2 questions, and loop and conditional statement, there will be 2 questions. Conditional statement in the sense if else and nested if, etc. Data structure, there will be 1 question only. So totally there will be 5 questions, and this is the easy section. You can easily score 100% in this section, because the questions are very easy, very much easy. Try to focus on this part, array and strings, because up to 2 to 3 questions there will be in this for this section, or you can say topic, from this topic only, array and strings. And operators, data types, these are the basic things you need to know if you are willing to solve this array and string function, or you can say problems, or the loop or the conditional statement problems. If you are willing to solve, then you need to know all these basic stuffs, so that you will be able to solve all these things. So this is all about the 3 different sections, and for the puzzle we will be making another different video. In that video we will be discussing about the syllabus and the questions, because 4 questions will be there. In 10 minutes we will be able to cover that topic. So I will be putting this link, or this playlist link. It is very much important. Go through the link and watch the videos. Hardly you will be spending 2 hours maximum, 2 hours to solve all these total playlist, and you will be able to crack this off campus definitely. So thank you for watching, and if you have any doubt regarding this syllabus or this off campus, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below, so that we will be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you.